Thank you.
So good day, ma'am. So today I'll explain why did I choose that person na bigyan ng aking gawa, which is yung soap basket. So that person was my mom, which is the reason why did I still living in this world. So kaya ko siya binigyan is to give or grant her na mga efforts na nabigay sa akin. So without her is hindi ako makaano dito sa mundong ito, at I'm not existing in this world. So pamamagitan ng product na ito is parang nabibigyan ko ng reward or kahit konting appreciate para sa aking mother, which is malaking halaga ito para sa kanya. So hindi lang siya normal na gift, but also is memorable, which is nagbibigay siya ng halaga or gratitude na bibigyan yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. So that's all.